हिमाचल की सबसे spectacular residential gated township, open for non-Himachalis as well. This is a villa inspired by nature, designed by the famous Studio Lotus, with a temperature-controlled swimming pool, a view that will not change for generations. This is a gated township जहाँ पर ये view सभी villas को मिलता है. Right beside the pool is the outdoor shower area. This is a place आप pool से निकले, just have your shower. हर villa का green area दो parts में divided है. This is one part nearer to the swimming pool. That's the heating unit of the swimming pool since it's a temperature controlled pool. Lavish green areas, trees यहाँ पर उगाए जा रहे हैं. This is being done by us. The green area is going to be maintained by us itself. This is where the second part begins, right in front of the master bedroom. We are walking into the second part of the green area. आप देख सकते हैं plenty of space for flower beds. ये आप देख रहे हैं, these are the kitchen garden areas. This is specifically meant in case आप हिमाचल की untouched soil में अपनी organic farming करना चाह रहे हैं. और एक और ज़रूरी बात कि you have seen green area कितना massive है यहाँ पे. Just think about this कि कितनी creative ढंग है इसी एरिया को आपके likes and dislikes के हिसाब से redesign करने का. This is the private drive area for this particular villa. यहाँ से अपनी गाड़ी comfortably आप लाइए. This is where it's going to be parked and you just walk into the first floor of your villa. Let's enter the villa. Double heighted doors. Beautiful doorway leading you to the living cum dining area. That right there, my friends, is a fireplace fueled by a biogas cylinder. उसमें लकड़ नहीं डाली जाती. Smokeless fire. This is a beautiful scenery right in front of you. We are on a mountain surrounded by reserve forest. किसी भी विला से आपको ये व्यू दिखता है. You do not feel like you're in a group housing. The servant area room with an attached washroom. Right here. इसके बाहर एक और servant area है meant for the driver. So the driver sleeps here at night. You may lock this if you needed to. The female house help is right here. विला का हर रूम एक सुंदर बालकनी एरिया स्पेस में खुलता है that looks towards the massive view right in front of. सीढ़ियों से नीचे आते हुए we are now here in the family lounge room, a beautiful living space again with a fireplace. Master bedroom की तरफ चलते हैं. A 21 by 14 feet large master bedroom looking towards a fantastic mountain terrain. Accessible to the green area as well. A very cleverly done washroom over here. You have two sinks for him and her and fantastically designed कि आपका bathing area different है and a separate space for the WC. While the villa is वास्तु compliant कि आपकी entry west, north and east side से होती है, the project is built on a south facing mountain. So आपका मुंह जो विला का है वो सीनरी की तरफ है and receives a lot of sunlight. This conservatory design ensures कि आपके पास इधर इतनी सनलाइट होती है कि शाम के 6:30 बजे तक आपको यहाँ पर लाइट ऑन करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. दिस इज द मोस्ट स्पेक्टेकुलर प्रोजेक्ट इन हिमाचल प्रदेश. ये एक ऐसी चीज़ है कि आप पुश्तों तक आपकी फैमिली यहाँ पर बहुत प्यार से एंजॉय करेगी विद एब्सोल्युटली स्ट्रॉन्ग पोटेंशियल फॉर रेंटल यील्ड्स. बुकिंग ओपन फॉर नॉन हिमाचलीज एज वेल.